Rajhans auditorium, we are discontinuing the vaccination for COVID-19. Could you tell us more about it?
Yes, if you look from the start, Navy has been actively involved in its fight against COVID-19 by providing necessary assistance to the state administration since the first wave of COVID. Be it transport of vaccines from Pune for Directorate of Health Services Goa, or providing administrative and logistic support for transport of cylinders in Goa Medical College. Navy has been at the forefront. This center for vaccination was established by Navy in mid-May 2021 with the aim of augmenting resources of the Directorate of Health Services in vaccinating the local populace at Vasco and South Goa. Since its inception, the Navy, this vaccination center has vaccinated over 59,000 beneficiaries with a first dose administered of around 26,000 and a second dose administered around 29,500. During the initial days of this vaccination center, the footfall of the vaccination center was quite low, to the tune of around 200 per day. However, with a lot of support from the media, we had achieved steady footfall of around 800 to 900 per day in mid-September, October, to a maximum of around 1,065 vaccinations per day on 25th September 21. Now, with most of the local populace of Vasco and South Goa vaccinated, and with the decreasing number of cases of COVID-19, the flag officer Goa area has taken a conscious call of discontinuing this center, and we have requested the Directorate of Health Services for its approval for discontinuing this center as a civilian vaccination center. This, as you are aware, is an auditorium which Navy has to impart all its training activities, and it's the only auditorium which the Navy has in South Goa. So, with resumption of routine training activities like symposium, lecture, online conferences, we intend to discontinue the vaccination drive at this center from 3rd November onwards.